Welcome to the ultimate guide to the top 20 must-visit spots in England. Get ready to embark on a whirlwind tour of this diverse and captivating country. First up, we have the iconic Big Ben in London, a symbol of British history and culture. Next, let's soar over the stunning white cliffs of Dover, offering breathtaking views of the English Channel. Moving on to the enchanting city of Bath, known for its Roman baths and Georgian architecture. Then, we'll journey to the mystical Stonehenge, a prehistoric wonder shrouded in mystery. Venture into the charming Cotswolds, with its picturesque villages and rolling hills. Experience the vibrant city of Liverpool, home of the Beatles and a rich maritime history. Don't miss the majestic Windsor Castle, the oldest and largest inhabited castle in the world. Explore the enchanting Lake District, a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Discover the historic city of York, with its medieval walls and Gothic cathedral. Then, immerse yourself in the bustling streets of Manchester, a cultural hub with a thriving music scene. Travel to the coastal town of Brighton, famous for its vibrant pier and pebble beach. Experience the beauty of the Peak District, a paradise for hikers and outdoor adventurers. Next, we'll visit the university city of Oxford, steeped in academic excellence and architectural splendor. Then, it's off to the charming town of Stratford-upon-Avon, the birthplace of William Shakespeare. Experience the maritime heritage of Portsmouth, home to the historic HMS Victory. Explore the picturesque city of Cambridge, known for its prestigious university and tranquil river. Journey to the rugged landscapes of the Jurassic Coast, a UNESCO World Heritage Site teeming with fossils and natural beauty. Finally, we'll end our adventure in the vibrant city of Bristol, a creative hub with a rich maritime history. From historic landmarks to natural wonders, England offers a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be explored. So pack your bags and get ready to discover the magic of these top 20 must-visit spots in England.